can you say mama? Say mama. Say mama. Mama. Oh my God, you just said mama. Girl, you just told me to say that.
So my teacher assigned seats today, and she puts my best friend all the way across the room as if we won't find some way to communicate. Like, boo-boo, we got notes, we got sign language, we got Morse code, so don't even try separating us.
Oh my God. Okay, think about this. If Tinkerbell had a Mexican sister, what would her name be? Taco Bell.
Look at her. Now she gonna be ashamed of herself coming out looking like that. Hey, girl! Hey, how you doing? Fine. I'm on my way to work. Well, call me when you get home. Okay.
It is all about the angles, ladies. Because from this angle, you look like a bag of biscuits. This angle, you gonna be forever alone. But if you go for this angle, all the men gonna be like, duh!
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see.
Hey, what are you eating?
Salad?
That doesn't look like a salad to me.
Well, chocolate comes from cocoa, which is a tree. That makes it a plant, so chocolate is a salad.
Wait, I'm inside of your phone? Let me out of here! Whoa! Hello. Nice view.
Ooh, girl, you are fine. Maybe you and I can hang out sometime.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.